Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. Let me ask you one question. What? What if operator accidentally change a tank name, batch number, product number, not product name, recipe name or equipment description from the SCADA screen? In maybe industries, in many industries these value are important for production record, reporting and transability. Means many industry means pharma, very critical industries because medicine will take man, maybe woman and also animal. Food and beverage industry. Actually every industry is critical but some industries more critical. If the wrong person change item, it can create confusion, reporting issue and even production mistakes. That's why in real industries, SCADA project string input are often restricted to engineer or manager only. So in today video, you will learn how to secure a string input and allow only engineer manager to edit it in FactoryTalk View SE. Because of if I can do, you can also do it. Let's start with some important question. What is string input? First you have to know, because it's very basic and on that particular topic I was created video, but you can revise. So what is string input? Where is string input used in industry? How to connect string input to a tag? How to allow engineers to edit the value? Not value means text, because string means combination of number and alphabet. How to test security configuration? So let's see step 1. Add a string input. First open your SCADA. Your SCADA means, because you are not doing for yourself, you are doing something for project or client. So open that SCADA for your client, whatever you are doing. From the object explorer you can see what is numeric and string. Numeric means number, string means text. So drag and drop a string input object on to the screen. For this example, let assume first drag and drop it here. For this example, let's assume you want to allow editing of production recipe name or batch description. Step 2. Connect the string tag. Open the connection tab. Where it is? Here it is. Because there is not connection tab. So it means this is connection tab only. It is showing in the journal. Click on three dot and here you can see mini tag. This is not PLC tag, but PLC tag will come also same like that. Here you can see string tag 1. Click on OK and here you can assign tag HMI tag, PLC string tag, right? In the real project, most engineer connect directly tag PLC tag to string. For example, recipe name or production description. Select tag, click OK. Now you did right. Step 3. Configuration common property. Open common tab. Where it is common tab? This is common tab. Here you can see height, width, font, size. Font size means height, width and tooltip. In tooltip you can enter what you can enter. You can enter new product name. So here you can write enter new product name. Click apply. Actually this tooltip you can change from your logic also, but this is different topic. If you want to know, so you can comment. And step 4, configuration appearance tab. There is appearance tab. So here you can see dimension, width and height. For what width and height? Height, width is 12, height is 3, justification is center is right and according to your SCADA standard. Step 5 is apply to security string input. Now come the most important part. Suppose operator should not modify the recipe name. Only engineer or manager should be allowed to edit it. Let's configure security. Click on expression. Here you can see function tab, security, and user current username bracket user of current. Click on OK. Double equal space. What is your name of security? What is which name? Whatever name of engineer security you have to write here. Example ENGINEER 1. Always remember you should use invert, inverted comma. Click on syntax. Now it is showing valid. You can click on and apply. Okay. But this tab you can adjust according to your requirement like that, right? And also in journal tab, example default you want to write recipe ones, you can write recipe one, right? And here is also security. This security is different compared to that security. That security means recipe one is showing. So what is a recipe one here showing, but its caption is not showing good. So you can adjust how from property panel, and from that place click on here, and font also you can change from there. 12, okay, it's okay, but it's looking big. So you can change font, century 11. Okay, now it's work. Okay, click on save. Let's see in the runtime how it's working or not. So launch a runtime, open your runtime. Now test in runtime. So you can see who is login now. Now login is operator one, and you can see downside here. You can see here recipe one is showing, right? It means recipe one was enter default, right? You remember I was enter recipe one is in default. So next is what? फिर लेयर ऐसे ये चलने लगेगी, लेयर जो ओपन लेयर है ना, प्लांट तक जो सोच पाते हैं वो नहीं हो पाएगी, वो प्लांट तक वाली लेयर नहीं चलेगी अगर इन्वायरमेंट इधर का ये फोन रखा तो, फोन और वीडियो रखा तो प्लांट का लेयर। So but here what happening. Now let's test application. Save this scenario one, operator login. Operator is login already, right? So you can see string input is disabled. Here you cannot click, you cannot left click. Also you cannot enter anything. But and operator cannot modify the value. Means text. This prevent unauthorized change. Let's see scenario 2. New logged out. Now logged out and log in as engineer. Click on log out, and here you have to enter engineer user name first. Engineer 1, click on enter. Here engineer 1 at the rate 123. Click on hit enter button. Okay. For login will take some time. You can see login logout progress. So now you can see string is become enable. Now the engineer can change a recipe name, update production description, or modify batch information. Means this method you can apply anywhere. For example, recipe name is medicine 1. Maybe medicine name anything. Medicine name can anything. Click on OK and hit enter. Operator engineer came and they entered. Engineer came and they entered medicine one name, and after that engineer clicked log out button. So what will happen? Operator will log in. How? OPERTATOR. Operator 1, hit enter. Same here. Have to write password. Right? Click on OK, enter, and OK. Now you can see medicine 1 is showing. It means operator cannot change anything now. Only operator have to start plant. Medicine will produ- medicine 1 production will be start automatic. No need to do anything from operator side because this is very critical plant. So, but engineer, manager, this help maintain process consistency and production record. If you want to learn how to create complete SCADA project from scratch, if you want to learn how to create complete SCADA from scratch, how to do IO mapping, that is a basic of how to do IO mapping, how to create add-on instruction AOI, how to use UDD concept, how to use parameter file and parameter list, how to create a global object. That is the most important part of FactoryTalk SCADA. Then what you can where, whether you are a beginner or already working in industrial automation, this tutorial will help you move from basic programming to advanced industrial SCADA development. So now quick question for you. What you learn from this video, because this is most important. You are given some time, and if you didn't learn, it means you wasted your time. Actually it's not wasted, but real you didn't get any output from this video, it means wasted. You should learn something. So what do you learn? For you can comment what is string input used for, which tag can connect to string input, why should operator not edit a recipe name, what happened when engineer one login. Write your answer in comment section. That's it for today video. Now you know how to secure string input and allow only authorized user to modify important production information. If you found video helpful, so please like the video, share it with your colleagues, subscribe to Chaos Automation. Thank for watching, and I will see you in the next